Since 1897, the Ferté-sous-Jouarre site has been a center of excellence for food cultures. Historically known for its penicillium strains used in iconic French cheeses, it now supports innovation for the dairy, meat, and plant-based industries. Welcome to our 7,000 square meter production plant near Paris. Each year, over 2 million sachets are released from our facility thanks to our 50 dedicated employees, advanced production technologies, and rigorous quality standards such as FSSC 22000 and ISO 14001. We are fully integrated. All steps from strain selection to packaging are handled in-house. Let's take a deeper look at the production process. It all begins with selecting strains for their unique surface, ripening, acidification, and bioprotection properties in targeted food applications. From there, they are carefully preserved in cryotubes, stored at -80 degrees Celsius. Once revived under strictly defined conditions, the strains are multiplied and scaled up until they are ready for fermentation. In our industrial fermenters, microorganisms grow under optimal, strictly monitored parameters such as pH, temperature, oxygen to generate biomass. Once fermentation is complete, the culture is cooled and prepared for the next step. The culture medium is concentrated at high speed to separate its components, yielding a concentrated microbial cream. The cream then undergoes a controlled freeze-drying process, removing moisture, while preserving microbial activity and resulting in a stable powder. At every stage, samples are analyzed by qualified technicians to confirm strain activity and compliance with stringent standards. Each batch is validated before use. Pure microorganism powders are blended with selected ingredients, such as carriers, to create specific food culture formulations. Automated, high-precision machines fill and seal the sachets, which are inspected for weight accuracy and packaging quality. Our dedicated team ensures responsive support and reliable delivery for our customers worldwide. Lallemand Specialty Cultures combines full control and deep expertise in developing meticulously selected microorganisms and fermentation-driven solutions, supporting producers in creating foods that are unique, high quality, and safe across dairy, meat, and plant-based applications.